Hello everyone and welcome to a detailed new Google Merchant Center misrepresentation case study. Now with the advancements in Google technologies and the algorithm they are doing, it's becoming very hard to restore the Google Merchant Center account suspended. Your Google Merchant Center account can be suspended for any reason, be it website or online store needs improvement, misrepresentation, counterfeit, trademark, health and pharmaceutical error, or any other error. And the solution to the problem is different each time. So far, we have developed a checklist of 160 plus checklist points which we use to restore and help clients being suspended with Google Merchant Center suspension, Google Ads suspension, Google Ads disapprovals, Google Business Profile suspensions. Also, all of these services are separate, and we are a full-fledged marketing agency to offer those services. So, in case if you ever plan to buy, you can buy it through the link in the description or the first comment of this video. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's move back to the original case study of the website. So, I'm going to show you the website. The website targets UK, and they sell, the clothes. So, miss, you are here. They are selling clothing, shoes, and a lot of stuff over here. So now this is an approved website. You can see denim jackets, puffer jackets. Also, one thing which I strongly recommend clients and the queries is that we do not work with counterfeit or replica products. So make sure you need to sell original products to work around. So this was the case assigned to us, and they asked us to create an account for them as well. So I'm going to show you the new GMC setup as well. And this was the GMC setup which we did, and also it was got disapproved, and because the client was in hurry, we usually recommend people to do the compliance as well, which we provide along as well. The compliance is provided along. We help clients to sort out their issues. Also, the changes need to be done by yourself, but we do help in doing audits and cross-checking all of the solutions, and in case if you are stuck somewhere, we can definitely do help as well. But this is the originally the client's responsibility to get those sorted. For instance, the client had broker links over here. You may see around they got these broker links which need to be resolved. They also have errors on the Google Search Console profile. These are the small errors on the GMC where the missing value age group was missing. The gender, the feed was not completely updated on the client side. The contact form had issue. We tried doing sample checkouts, and there was some empty space. There was a placeholder on over here as well. And once when we were stuck with misrepresentation, they asked us to verify the identity, which helped in getting the client approved. Now this is the GMC Google Search Console removal, which also helped initially with the client. And you may see they got some broker links error as well, which we are going to help. And there was a point when the account was not in approved or not approved, but instead it was in limited scenario over here. So you may see around over here the account was in a limited scenario, and we requested the review to get it sorted. So you may see around over here, and this was needed to get it approved. And I'm also going to show you few of the audits which my team did. Apart from there was ample of communication which was done through the team and the client. We had a separate WhatsApp group where a lot of things were discussed, including robots.txt file need to be optimized. So we see over here we created a custom robot.txt file. We did the plagiarism checker for almost each and every page. We do not compromise on copied images. You need to have unique images. We can help you to tell you how you can create, but you have to do it. We can help you with plagiarism. You see, we can help clients with plagiarism as well. The placeholders are not being allowed. This is a placeholder error either usually found in the search tab, thank you page, contact us page, or email newsletter page, or it can be found in your plugin or any other place as well. But these are the common places where we have justified this. And Google unfortunately do not know why, but do not accept. If your website has placeholders, your account will remain suspended. Website trust score, we also looked around for the website trust score. So you may see around over here, trust score is your market reputation. You need to work around. You need to it's better to have a Google business profile. And the page speed, so you may see around here the page speed is slow. The home, we suggested adding favicon, content, newsletter for the footer. We also cross link over here with the payment methods which we are showing, and for the checkout as well. About us, you can see around the about us page was not missing, not having detail. Do not sell my info page was missing. The payment method mentioned in the footer need to be upgraded with your payment policy page and your checkout page, because they were all not reflecting with each other. So you may see the payment methods available at the checkout were 5, but they were showing more on the footer, and this caused confusions. So you may see around over here. So again, even what we do is we check all of the pages for the client. We check the contact us page, we make these links clickable, we help clients. We even what happens is sometimes there is social media links as well with the profiles, and we also cross check those as well. The domain name, the contact us page is working not or not. Sometimes the clients have double contact us page as well. This causes confusion. Frequently asked page, track your order page, everything is working fine. Not all of these things need to be cross checked. Your best seller item, sometimes the categories are empty. Sometimes there can be an issue anywhere else. Let's say we're going with this product. What we do is we select the size, and we select to tend to do the add to cart, multiple products. We do the simple checkout. We look around for the payment methods. We cross check all the policies on the GMC and on the website to actually find out we are fine or not. Apart from this, ample of communication is also done with the Google team for this as well. So this is for internal communication, and this was the scam advisor, and apart from this, this was an implementation done page where the issues were sorted around. This newsletter was sorted around. Do not sell my information page was created. Favicon image was added. Checkout policies was done. Everything was also added in the checkout procedure because it was previously not added. You may see around here when you're trying to do the checkout, Google also says that the checkout policies need to be done at the checkout. Sometimes the client missing those, and this can also cause suspension. So you may see all of the pages, and all of these policies reflect the policies mentioned on the Google Merchant Center and on your website. This is very, very important, guys. We can be in trouble if you are not complying with all of these things. So this is another important aspect of GMC compliance. And you may see around here our basic observations were the site shows Google British pound prices and text was included. The display returner accepted and 30 days was cross checked. The phone number, fact, everything was cross checked. Multiple audits were done. Company justification and branding was also checked. That privacy, data protection was also checked. GDPR laws, UK laws, because they were targeting in UK. Now this may vary from company to company. Company registration number, data was also being added in the GMC, Shopify, also on the website. Shipping policy page was updated and had a unanimous single shipping policy page. Now this is another thing where client get confused. Some people have mentioned different thing on different pages. Some have different thing on your product pages, because sometimes most of the people copy or paste to something like this, or they are not exactly sure. So Google have a zero compromise on this, and even these things helps you better in improving your rankings as well. And the returns and refund policy page, if there are any return refund, how do you tackle, sort, what kind of a charges, all of these things, business days, working days, regular days, all of these things need to be mentioned. Disclaimer, terms of service page, payment policy page, GMC external platform consistency, all of these things. There were some red flags as well which we sorted around, and after all of these things, we went into approvals, and this was the first approval. No, this is the second approval. This was the first approval when one product was in limited, and then we added more products, and this is an approved. And now I'm going to show you the real account, and I can make it refresh so you can see all is unique, and you may see they are getting clicks. You can see approved number of products 939, and if I move on to the notifications, so you may see nothing over here. And if I move on to the all products page to show you, so you may see this was a chart over here, approval, then it went also we provided them an account and they were running, and then they got some not approval, even then we helped them, and you may see they are now again approved. And if I show you, you can see all of the products are approved and running. If I'm showing you needs attention page, why I'm going to show you, I will tell you now as well. Let's see the needs attention page. You will see around there is nothing over here. Why I told you, because the site had issues. Let me show you. Let me show you. It was over here. Swimi round, they had previously had issues with missing value age group, missing value genders. We also fixed those as well as a part of our service. So you may see, if I move into the history, so you may see this was not running, and now they are running right now, and all are good. You can see more summary over here as well, and this is an again active case study of Google Merchant Center restoration. All credits to my team who worked hard to make it approved. You may see the ads are running. And 78 ads are ongoing, and you can check all ads campaign as well, and you can see the clicks are getting around. So yeah, this is another successful Google Merchant Center case restoration case study. Also, we provide website development, WordPress development, Shopify development, complete website solutions along with GMC management. We also offer monthly management. There are ample of clients who are using Google Merchant Center and Google Ads services or ads combined. We help clients with reducing their CPC, because we are a full-fledged marketing company. And in case if you need either of services, just to let you know that me and my team is a Google partner company, and we are already helping around clients. We also help clients with Google business profile suspensions, Bing ad suspension, website development, Google Ads, audit, setup, optimization. So we offer a bundle of services. So in case if you are interested in either of the services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we would love to help you. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this case study. Take care. Bye bye.